Hello fellow stackers, 365 here, welcome back to my channel. So for those of you that saw my video of me unboxing my 5 ounce coin, you'll know that I sent it back. I was in two minds because it only had a small blemish. It was missing a small bit of frosting on the actual surface of the coin. But many of you in the comments were saying I won't be able to get my head around it and my eyes will keep being drawn towards it, and that is what was happening. Every time I got the coin out to look at, I kept looking straight at the missing frosting instead of actually appreciating the beauty of the coin. So anyway, I contacted Shards because that's the company I brought it from. I brought many things from them in the past, and to be fair, they've always been very, very good customer service, always very quick delivery, always arrived on time, and never been any issues. Now, they did explain to me that it's a bullion coin and that you have to kind of expect it not to be perfect when you're buying bullion. However, I still wanted to send it back and they were happy to let me do that. So in today's video, I'm going to be unboxing the replacement. I'm hoping it's going to be okay, but we shall see. I'm hoping that the person that agreed for me to send it back has kind of spoken to the dispatch team, if you like, the team that deal with sending out the replacements, and told them the reasons why I'd sent it back, because otherwise we're going to be in the same situation again if they've just sent out any old coin and it's got marks on it. So it'll be interesting to see how this one looks. And moment of truth. Now I can't see anything wrong with it on this side, but this side wasn't the issue before, it was the other side. So let's have a look. Okay, I can't see anything straight away. Let me know in the comment section if you can spot anything that I can't. But looking through the viewfinder of my camera, yeah, very happy with this one. Yeah, I can't see any issues at all with this one. Like I said, let me know in the comment section if you can see anything that I can't. But yeah, to me that looks perfect. I can't see any frosting removed. On my other coin, it was around about here. There was quite a big kind of gap in the frosting. But yeah, that one looks perfect. So I'm really glad I did that. So thanks for those of you in the comment section that voted that I should send it back, because I'm very glad that I did, because now I have a perfect looking coin, and this has got to be one of my favourite coins. Absolutely gorgeous design. My first 5 ounce piece of silver. I don't think I've got any 5 ounce size silver in the stack at all, because it's kind of a not very kind of popular size. You don't get much 5 ounce items on the market, not that I've seen in the UK anyway. People tend to kind of skip past the 5 ounces and go straight towards the 10 ounce. You can see I've got a 10 ounce coin here. Another gorgeous looking piece of silver. Queen's Beast Completer. Really, really nice looking piece of silver, that. So yeah, there we go. I'm glad I did that. Like I said, thanks very much for those of you that voted for me to send it back, because now we've got a perfect looking coin. Now in today's video, I've got a question for you as well. Now this coin arrived, pop that over there. This coin arrived like this when I got it. Now this is obviously the 1 ounce version of the coin you've just seen. And you can see it's got this kind of almost coppery colour around it. It's got it down there, it's got it on there. Hasn't got much on this side. But my question is, what can I do to remove this? And also, what is it? Is it just kind of toning? Is it just where it's kind of been in the oxygen and it's gradually kind of toned over time? Or do you think I should be able to clean that off? And if so, what should I use to clean that off? Because I would like to get this coin looking a little bit better, because at the moment it's a bit of a shame that it's kind of got this, it almost looks, it's not even like a nice toning, it's almost like a toning that looks like I've spilled a tea over it, for example. So yeah, let me know what I could do to that to bring that back to its former glory. As always, thanks very much for watching. Thanks for all the support, and I hope you have a nice day.